Hello guys, good morning. It's 4 in the morning and we're going to Penticton. So it's a 4-hour drive kaya ang aga naming umalis. Karating doon mga around mga 8:30 kasi magsa-stop over pa kami.
Guys, tara na! Samahan niyo ako sa aming susunod na encounter at biyahe para sa isang cherry picking adventure. But wait, saan nga ba yan? Dito lang naman sa probinsya ng British Columbia. Let's #explore BC, #ILoveBC. Para sa ating first stop, Hillside Orchards Farm.
We're here already at Hillside Orchard Farm. As you can see, I don't know if these are apricots, but I don't know. Nice view here. Mag-open to around 9.
Ubus na daw pala ang kanilang cherries. So tuloy ang ating biyahe para sa ating cherry picking adventure. Mahaba-haba pa naman ang ating lalakbayin. So, trivia muna tayo guys ha. Ayon kay Google, 80% of the cherries grown around the world come from varieties developed right here in BC. And 95% of cherries grown in Canada are produced in BC. Oh ha? Isn't that amazing? Chos. Maiba lang muna tayo mga guys ha. Itong daan pala na binabagtas namin ay tinatawag na Highway 97 o Okanagan Highway. Ito ay may habang 2,081 kilometers or 1,293 miles mula Canada papuntang United States border. Tinawag itong Highway 97 noong 1953 dahil na rin sa ruta na nagdudugtong patungong international border, ang US Route 97.
Medyo puyat tayo. Yung mata ko inaantok. Our plan was dun lang somewhere sa Osoyos. And we're going to Penticton. Sana worth it yung drive kasi balikan lang to. Medyo
talaga pag nakaupo ka.
may nakakapagod din nakaupo. So mamaya makikita nyo kasi nung tinawagan namin kanina is $3 per pound, so yung iba about $5, so that's $2 more. It's more expensive if you pick kasi, diba? Kasi walang halo, pipiliin mo, tapos pwede ka pang kumain. Hi guys, so I'm just wearing our face mask. So what's the rule?
No cherry picking.
No cherry picking. Sign in daw muna kami. Ba't na di-deform tong face mask? Mahal hindi ba pila yon? So, eto, nakikita nyo, not just another Can you just go there?
Me?
Yeah. No, just, or here, you hold this one. Look, ang dami, ang dami. Excited na kami. Nag-register muna kami ng plate number. Social distancing ang pag-pick. Social distancing pero ang dami namin dito. Kala namin, dito lang, marami pa pala doon. So, hindi naman kami mauubusan. Hi guys, so we're here already picking cherries. So, I don't know which one to pick. So, this one, I already picked one. Tikman natin. So, you taste that one. Yeah, go taste it.
You don't wash it?
Just wipe it. I think it could be wiped. Oh, they got a lot.
I think we need a ladder. Does it taste sweeter? Titikim ulit kami. Punas-punas.
It's like the one in Richmond. You don't like it?
Because I think it's not yet that ripe. That's why. But
Really?
like for instance, if you're getting that so mga kaibigan,
I think it's just not yet.
so eto may sobrang baba. Napipitas lang siya ng ganto kababa. Kita nyo naman. Oh! May nalaglag. Ang dami dito. Tingnan nyo. Tanin. Wow! Ayan. 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 Oh my God. So, this is my third. Another cherry. There are two varieties of cherry here. The Rainier cherry, which is lighter color, and Okanagan cherry, which is the red one. The typical cherry that you see. So, okay. Yeah, later for a while. I'm just gonna do this. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Did you try the white one? We're getting that. Kasi we need a ladder. Someone using this one, no? Oh, you can use this one. So, nakadami na tayo. Yan. Lilipat ulit tayo. Lipat ng lipat. More cherries here. There's a lot of more cherries na mas mababa. Look, ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin ko, pero pinipili ko yung malalaki. So, dapat kung mamimitas, kasama yung tangkay para magtagal. Okay, there you go. After minutes of picking, medyo na 1/4 na natin ang ating bucket. So far, medyo napagod na akong magpitas-pitas. So, yan. Ito na yung mga na-pick namin. Yay! Almost puno na yung bucket. Tapos, pinupuno na rin niya yung isa pang bucket.
Bakit?
Bucket. So, ang dami pa.
Ang dami mo rin mapipitas na may sira eh.
Tapos, on that side, dun, yan, yung part niyan, ang dami pa ding cherry. Siguro sa isang puno, makaka-isang box ka, hindi lang. Madami. Kahit pupwesto ka lang sa isang puno, madami ka nang makukuha. Nung papunta dito, ang dami pa rin naming nadaan ng cherry plantation. Kaya lang, lahat na kasi na-pick, wala na daw mapipick. So, ito na yung susunod na pinaka malapit. Dami, ang sarap mamitas, pero nakakasawa din. So, syempre, tayong mga first-timers, medyo binabato na ako ng asawa ko. Tumahimik daw ako. So, nandito na tayo sa area na walang mga masyadong kumukuha. Medyo nakuha na nga ata tomato, pero madami pa din eh. Uy, kanina ko pa kayo hinahanap, guys. Kala ko nandun na kayo naghihintay. Ay, baby, may white daw. Oo, matamis daw. Kuha tayo nun. Hindi, okay lang. Kalahatiin natin. Isang maliit lang. Hindi, kailangan ko ibalik yan. Ah, sige. Okay.
Kami din eh. Sabi namin, isa lang.
Kami dalawa naman, pero nadagdagan naman. Ouch! Maliit. Ah! Natusok ako ng kahoy. So,
So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming pamimitas. Nainggit kayo. Charot. Pero abangan niyo ang aking next vlog. Hit like and subscribe. Mag-comment na rin kayo kung anong gusto niyo i-vlog ko pa.